What's going on, guys? We're going to be talking about the rumors and leaks surrounding the DJI Avata that they are probably going to be releasing at some point soon. So let's jump into it. So this is the first DJI Cinewhoop. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not an FPV guy. I do own the DJI FPV Drone that they released. But yeah, this is that same type of form factor as you can see on the screen. Small, lightweight, durable, and that's really what people are looking for in an FPV drone. So according to the article, it's looking like this drone is going to arrive this summer. It says just after the launch of the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the drone maker started leaking information again for its next new drone, the DJI Avata, which seems to be a DJI Cinewhoop drone expected to be launched this summer. The DJI Avata seems to be an attempt by the Chinese drone maker to create the first DJI Cinewhoop drone that is very lightweight, ideal for indoor use, and able to take really good aerial photos and video. Expect a quality level similar to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is really impressive as it gives the DJI Air 2S with its 1-inch sensor a run for its money. And then in this next portion of the article, it says, this morning, Deals Drone tweeted the following information and photos. Avata is compact and weighs about 500 grams, can fly indoors. The photo quality is much better. Guess that of the Mini 3 Pro is the same. Greatly improved battery life. Manual mode is not supported. I don't know what that means. Like I said, I'm not an FPV guy, so if there are FPV people watching and you know what that means, definitely let us know in the comments. Head chase mode, vibration function, touchpad for glasses menu, glasses can connect to phone. Then the article shows us some more images. So here is a top-down view of what this drone will look like. As we can see, the propellers are encased. Here is another view of the drone. And then here is a illustration, which is from a DJI patent application. Yeah, that's really it for this leak. There's not much else other than these rendered images and some information surrounding the drone, but it definitely seems like we're getting this drone since there's already a leak surrounding it. Would I buy it? Yeah, potentially. I mean, I really do want to get into FPV, but the thing is, I learned with GPS drones. So once you learn with GPS drones, it's kind of hard to learn FPV because it's a totally different way of flying. That's really been my hiccup with the DJI FPV drone that I own. I've actually never flown it in manual mode. I've only flown it in sport mode, which still has GPS enabled. Yeah, that's where I'm at with FPV technology, but I'm curious to hear what you guys think about this drone in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.